Alright, so did in fact pop in all these lights. Gotta wire them. Gotta wire them in. And so it goes. Jumper is in the Pachysandra, where he loves to be, right? If he lived here, there would be no Pachysandra. It would be totally destroyed. We'll have to get him out of here for 5 days and then let it recover. So yeah, truck still needs some work. We got the cab corner is in there. It's ordered. Almost everything is done back here. Nothing I can think of do we need to order to get it to finish up. So that'll get slid back, do the wiring same time, and decided to order an oblong white light, white LED, and fit it. We'll fit it. However, take up space or whatever we need to do. All right, we got a door to put on, as you can see. What else? Well, frame's done. All the way up to the front. The bottom of the cab is done, under cab. And obviously this thing fit a plow, and don't have a bumper for it. I don't think we do, no. Pretty sure we do not. And that's about it. Well, signing off. Jumper signing off.